What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Today, I've got a couple of people that's just been dying for me to drive the 600,000 mile F250, the 2000 model. And sorry, guys, I have not had a chance to get my hands on it. It's a field crew truck. It stays out of state. It sits in motel parking lots all week while the guys are working, and it's just very rarely is it there for me to, and me have a moment to catch it and drive it. But I promise, the first minute I get a chance to do it, I'm going to do it. I'm probably going to have to run up there on a weekend, and when the guys are all home and things slow down a little bit, because we're busy as hell right now, which makes no sense. So I thought I would just give y'all a little bit of the 2014 F250 Platinum 6.7 power stroke. We have just hit 60,000 miles. So let's do a startup. Oh yeah, baby. Thing's trying to connect. AC is on. I got to turn that down. Oh, that's not the fan speed. Oh crap. Okay, I know the fan speed's right in front of me. Where is it? Climate. This is a pretty intuitive system. To be 6 years old. I mean, there's your heated steering wheel and AC seats, heated seats. I mean, everything. You want to connect a phone, go to that corner. Want your nav, go to that corner. Radio, that corner. Home. Let's just see. We'll just do nav for now. There we go. We'll cut the... There we go. All right. Strangely enough, we've got a check engine light on. And how that came about was on the way back from Panama City Beach this last trip. My mother... she ran the damn thing out of DEF fluid. Now, why the hell and how the hell she did that? Because I know this thing starts warning you. I'm sure there were bells, warnings, claxons. I mean, you name it. I'm sure everything was going off. Anyway, she stopped. I can't remember the full story. That's the problem. I never can remember the full story. But she ended up stopping and putting some DEF fluid in it. They took the thing to the dealership. The dealer said, don't worry. The truck's going to run fine. When your warranty's up at 100,000 miles, we'll cut the cord on all that shit anyway. So, I thought that was kind of an odd answer and reply for, a 6-year-old truck with only 60,000 miles that's still under a 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. But I think, since they know that they ran it out of DEF fluid, they're trying to charge them to fix whatever is wrong. Any of you Power Stroke diesel guys out there that know how this system operates or what the key components are, I'm sorry, I don't have a freaking clue. All I know is the truck runs fine. It doesn't miss a beat. It's still running DEF fluid in it. But if you clear the check engine light, it just comes back on because something is not functioning correctly and it's throwing a code. we're probably, what it is we're probably polluting. We're probably just not burning off the exhaust like we're supposed to, and the truck is just polluting more. But yeah, I think it was pretty, I mean, my parents, I swear, I'm speechless sometimes. I just don't know what to say. Why didn't they just go in and say, oh my God, the check engine light came on? We don't know what's wrong. Maybe they could figure out that it was run out of DEF fluid. You know, who knows? Whatever. They don't care. And actually, I really don't give a shit either. I'm just going to put a piece of, I told them I put a piece of black tape over that for them, so they don't have to look at the glowing light. It has been on for about 5,000 or 6,000 miles now, so you know, nothing's going to happen. We don't think so. Just forget about it. But dude, this truck hauls butt so easy to be so big. I mean, it's 55 miles an hour out here. I had to, you know, I was running 70, 75. If you are not paying attention, this truck will go 100. It is that quick. Something so big and so heavy can roll so easily. I mean, just roll out, buddy. This one's got the 6-speed automatic, which personally I like that better than 10 speeds. I mean, who the hell needs 10 gears? Freaking huge ass towing mirrors. Got a great Sony sound system. This again is the Platinum. Pretty loaded up truck. It doesn't have a sunroof. The limited trim, I believe, is the one trim above this one. I think this truck was about 69,000 new, or 70, something like that. Of course, they've gone up substantially since then. But they're getting ready to go to Florida. My kids, my mom, and my soon-to-be ex-wife, they're all going down to Florida, and the dog. I'm going to stay down there for a couple of weeks at the beach, even though they can't get on the beach. Starting Friday, you can get on the beach a couple hours a day. So they're going to head on down there because school's canceled and, you know, work's canceled for my... I'm just still going to call her my wife until I'm divorced. You know, what a better way to social distance yourself and still be able to work. All they need is internet connection. They can go to school and do all the stuff they need to do. Georgia, of course, our governor has decided to open the state back up starting Friday. So we're the first state to do so, I believe. President Trump doesn't like it, but Kemp's doing it. Governor Kemp's doing it. Going to open it back up to a certain extent. Bars and nightclubs are exempt. They're still closed. Going to remain closed. So, I'm glad they're going to the beach to get the hell out of the state, because I think it's going to go crazy. If this virus is still out here, and I don't care if it's plateauing, it still seems like it's running rampant. You know, I'd rather them go down there and isolate themselves. Man, we're going to blitz it on this off-ramp. This thing's going to fly. I know it. My God. Alright, here we go. Wheel spin. Oh, traction control was just killing it, man. There's 80, like nothing. like nothing. You guys have a good night. Everybody stay safe, stay healthy. Like, subscribe, comment. Please, please do. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good night. And we'll see y'all soon. Take care.